Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can know how rich you actually are. Okay, so you can go to this website called globalrichlist.com. Okay, this will let you know how rich you are in the world. Okay, so you can compare with your income or with your wealth. Okay. So if you click on which route should you choose, it will show you that for income calculation uh, is to get the most accurate placing possible. So you got to include your annual salary after tax plus any other money that you receive each year, benefits, pension, money from relative, even your student loan. Okay, so for wealth calculation, okay, usually this route is the most precise, but you need to know your net worth. That means everything that you own, okay, value of your house, assets, shares, income, bank balance, belongings, minus anything that you owe, okay, which is your mortgage, debt, student loans, etc. Okay, so let's try using the income. Okay, first of all, you select location. So for example, US dollar. Okay, so you just enter your annual net income. Okay, so to get the most accurate placing possible, please include your net annual salary plus any other money that you receive each year, benefits, pension, or even your student loan. Okay, so for example, you key in your annual net income is 100,000. Okay, this is just an illustration. So after that, you click on show my result. Okay, it shows that you are in the top 0.08% richest people in the world by income. Okay, so which makes you the 5,000,000 67,405th richest person on earth by income. Okay, which is quite rich already. Okay, so next I'll show you if let's say you were to compare your wealth to the world, okay, how rich you exactly are. Okay, so same thing, if let's say you are based in US, go for US dollar. Equity in your home, okay, you can work this out by using your equity in your home, okay, by taking its value and subtracting all loans such as your mortgage secured against it. Okay, so for example, your home is worth $1,000,000 and you have outstanding mortgage of $500,000. So basically your equity in your home is $500,000. Okay, so next will be your value of your possessions. Okay, this is your household goods, furniture and furnishing, valuables and personal belongings. Okay, so these you got to assess by your own self. Okay, so the more accurate you can be, the better. So for example, let's just put 100,000. Okay, and next, just key in the value of your investment, which is your stocks, bonds, bank accounts, pensions, life insurance, etc. So for example, let's just put it 200,000. Okay, once you have done it, you can just click on show my results. Okay, wow, that will make you the 0.92% richest people in the world. Okay, which means you are the top less than 1% richest people in the world. Okay, which makes you the 41,511,181st richest person on earth. Okay, so you can also share your result in Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, okay, or Tumblr. Okay, so basically this is all what I want to share with you. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoy this, you think that you can this benefit to your friends or family, okay, you can just share this video with them. And thanks for watching and listening to Yuri White from yuriwhite.com. See you guys.